Hey y'all, it's Kitty. I am going on a trip tomorrow. I am a last minute packer. So here is my plan for what I'm going to bring with me in terms of makeup. So the first thing I'm taking is my e.l.f. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette because this is a great matte palette with all the basics as well as it is a good sized mirror. I'm taking this ColourPop 4-pan palette with a handful of minis. This has four shadows from my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette: Mystic Rain, Desert Vibes, Fireflies, and Dusk Teal Dawn. Then I'm also bringing this 9-pan palette. This is from Shop Miss A. And I'm bringing Stay Golden, Soft Core, Come and Get It, Glass Bull, Tiki, Bratty. These two are from the ColourPop My Little Pony palette, and I don't have them labeled, so I don't know the names. And then I believe this is either Backstage or Baseline. I think it's Backstage. So for eyeshadow, that is all I'm bringing, although I am bringing my Too Faced glitter glue. I use this on shimmer shadows as well because I think it works really well, and my Milani eyeshadow primer. Next, let's move on to face. I'm bringing my Hard Candy Sheer Envy primer. I'm bringing my, no, I'm not bringing that one. I'm bringing my Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous makeup setting spray. I was going to bring my Revolution Pro Fix oil fixing spray, but I lost the cap to this, so I'm bringing this one instead. I'm bringing my City Color Be Matte blushes in Fresh Melon and Blackberry. I'm bringing my Physicians Formula Youthful Wear translucent setting powder. I use this as a foundation. It is translucent. It adds the tiniest bit of coverage, but I think it just smooths out my face and makes it look even. I'm bringing my AOA Studios Wonder Baked Highlighter and my Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder in Afterglow. This is one of my all-time favorites. As for skincare, I'm bringing my Pacifica Cactus Water Cleansing Micellar Cleansing Tonic. I'm bringing my Pacifica Pineapple Quench Oil-Free Water Serum. This is my moisturizer. I really like it. It does leave my face feeling a little bit tight and sticky for like a minute after I apply it, but after that I find the feeling goes away and I find it moisturizes just enough that it doesn't make my face more oily, but it also doesn't leave my face feeling dry. I'm bringing this Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen because I'm going to be out in the sun. I'm bringing my little mini sample size of the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. I hope to do a review on this, but I don't know that I will because I don't know how to review skincare. And then I'm bringing my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Priming Stick. I don't use this as a primer. I use this as a cooling under eye stick. My face gets notoriously too hot, and so I love this for just putting it under my eyes. I also sometimes put it on my forehead and my T-zone area, and then like around my neck if I really get too hot. The hard part is just remembering to take it off at night. And I normally don't wear foundation or anything, so that's not an issue, so I don't know. I doubt this would work great over foundation, but I love it. Perfectly Posh Prize on the Eyes eye cream. I'm just trying to use this up. I think it's an alright eye cream. It's nothing special, but it works. And I'm going to see my boyfriend, so I'm bringing my birthday gift from Bite, the Agave lip balm and lip scrub, as well as the Milani Keep It Sweet sugar lip scrub. Now, I'm a notorious overpacker, so I'm bringing a lot of lip products, but I just like to have options, and I know I'm going to be doing a lot of kissing because, again, I'm going to see my boyfriend. So I have a couple things that should be kiss-proof, as well as a couple things that are not kiss-proof that he's just going to have to deal with, or maybe I won't wear them, but again, I like having options. So the first three are these Revlon products. This one has, these three are in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan. These two are matte balms in Sultry and Standout. And then this one, the name has rubbed off, but it's in the glossy packaging, and it is Smitten. My Rimmel London Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner. This is in my Cruelty Free by Christmas, as well as my Prime Wear Femme Couture lipstick and my AOA Studios Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick. Again, these are all in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan, and this one is kiss proof, so that I might be wearing quite a bit. As for things that are not in that project pan, I'm bringing my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in, the color has fallen off, I think it was on the end here. This is the color. I do not agree this is 100% kiss proof, but I quite like it and I quite like the color. It was a gift from my sister, so I'm taking this with me. 3 more. I know this is a lot of lip products. I'm only going for a week, but I like to overpack. I did really good at toning down the rest of the products, but I really like having options for lip products. So the last 3, I have my Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip in Dose of Rose. This is a great lipstick. The formula is fantastic. It's comfortable. It's long wearing. The color looks so nice on me. It's a great neutral pink. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Prague. This is almost empty, and I have a backup of it because I loved it so much. So I want to finish up this one because I have already opened the last one, the backup. And then the last one is my Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. This was the sample that I got when I purchased my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. And I really like this. It is a long wear lipstick. I'm not sure that it's going to be totally kiss proof, but it is a pretty long wear formula. So I'm bringing that as well. Almost done with what I'm bringing. I'm bringing this perfume. This is Femina by Jorel Parker. I'm currently trying to pan this. I am here. I don't think it's in any of my project pans. I might have mentioned it in my Cruelty Free by Christmas. I got this as a sample in Birchbox at one point. I got Birchbox many years ago. By the fact that it was many years ago, I'm trying to go through this. I like it. It's really pretty. I could not describe it to you because I can't describe perfumes, but I'm trying to go through it, so I'm bringing that. I sure hope my boyfriend likes it. I'm bringing this Sephora eyeliner, which I doubt I'll use, but it's in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan. I think I totally forgot to mention it, but I will mention it in my update whenever that is. And my Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express. This is also in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan. When I come back from my trip, I'm going to throw this out because it will have been 6 months. Finally, I'm just going to show you the brushes that I'm bringing with me. As for face brushes, I'm bringing this e.l.f. Fluffy Powder Brush for blush, as well as this AOA Studios F14. For highlighter, I'm bringing the AOA F19, and for my foundation / powder that I mentioned, I'm using this e.l.f. Flat Powder Brush. For eye brushes, I'm bringing these ones. If you have any questions, leave them down below. This is a mix of 1 Real Techniques, 2 ColourPop, and um, the rest are AOA Studios or e.l.f. So I think that is everything I'm bringing on my trip with me. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. I'm bringing my color switch with me because I would be lost without it. I know it's a lot. I'm going to be gone for a week. I am leaving tomorrow as of when I'm filming this, but this may be going up the day of the day that I'm leaving. Um, if not, I might not edit it until afterwards, and so it'll go up after I come back. Um, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below. Tell me what you guys bring when you guys travel. What kind of makeup do you bring with you? I'm really curious. Do you overpack? Do you underpack? Do you bring a lot of makeup? Do you not bring a lot of makeup? Again, I brought a lot of lip products, but I feel like I toned it down quite a bit for eyeshadow, at least compared to what I normally do. Same with blush and highlight. Usually I bring like most of my collection with me. It is a bad habit that I'm trying to break. But again, I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, subscribe, maybe hit the notification icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!